Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a valid email, a secure password, and an intended username. Open GitHub's sign-up page and enter email, password, and username. This establishes your account identity and access. You choose settings that fit use, personal or organization, because they determine permissions later. Once done, check your email to verify. That step activates behind-the-scenes features. Make sure to save your password manager entry, since lost credentials can slow future repo work. You verify the email link to confirm ownership. That unlocks repository creation and collaboration. Next, pick a plan. Free includes public and private repos. Then enable two-factor authentication for stronger protection, using an authenticator app or SMS so your account resists breaches. After that, complete profile fields. Display name, bio, and avatar because they help collaborators trust you. Once done, review notification and privacy settings to control emails and contribution visibility, which affects discoverability. You finalize by generating an SSH key on your machine and adding it to GitHub settings. This enables secure Git push and pull without re-entering credentials. Create your first repository, initialize a README, and make the initial commit. That confirms local to remote workflow. If something fails, troubleshoot. Ensure your email is verified, confirm your SSH agent is running and the public key matches, or use a personal access token with correct scopes for HTTPS operations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.